My name is Pedro Mira. I come from Portugal.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Irina. Je suis russe.
Hi, I'm Eda Kaytan. I'm from Turkey.
And it's the third time I am here in Lignano. The third time I was invited to make this nativity.
À Lignano, je suis depuis, je sais pas, plusieurs années, peut-être 7, 8, 9.
It is my fourth time in Lignano, and I work in the Presepe di Sabia.
It's a very nice place to work because the sand is very special. It's very good sand, actually. I made the main scene, which is very nice. Joseph, Maria, and Jesus. It's very good because I like to make figures in a classical way. That's my main. That's what I like more in sand.
Maintenant, je fais sculpture de sable depuis 2004. J'ai commencé à faire ça en Belgique. Depuis ça, j'ai travaillé avec du sable. J'adore faire ça, c'est ma vie. Je suis heureuse qu'on fait ça.
I made a few compositions in this project about Italian soldiers and the story about war, about women that time. The sand is very good here, very strong. It's very fun to work with the sand.
Ciao, sono Antonio Molin, mi occupo della direzione artistico-tecnica del Presepe di Sabbia. Sono già 14 anni che veniamo qui ci troviamo molto bene e venite a trovarci anche quest'anno.